I am the General Secretary of Indigenous Peoples Welfare Organization of the Northeast India. Today I am going to give a press release on the fact of missing a person. The missing person is this from Dalguri district, Assam. Today I am giving this message to the Superintendent of Police in Godavari District, Andhra Pradesh, all well-wishing organizations, all media and YouTubers, all NGOs of Andhra Pradesh. And the Indigenous Peoples Welfare Organization of the Northeast India extend our sincere and honest love, solidarity, salutation and honor to all. It's here we made known to all that Mr. Bhaigya Brahma, aged 35 years, son of late Manindra Brahma, village Sonai Bergaon Hapagaon Odalguri BTC, Assam, left for Andhra Pradesh on the 4th November 2025 with a friend named Mr. Manindra Mahanla. They were to seek work in companies. And their destination was the Rasmandri railway station under the Daulasa police station in Andhra Pradesh. They reached the destination on the 6th November 2025. Until the time of their departure, Bhaigya Brahma was a normal man as usual. But the matter of concern is that while they were traveling nearby train, he somehow got shocked and was overwhelmed with a fright and seemed abnormal trying to get off the speeding train. It's being guessed that some miscreants gave him some intoxicants for which he turned abnormal all of a sudden. However, the friend managed to guide him to the destination by dint of his endeavor. As soon as they reached the said station, he fled and his friend chased to hold him back, leaving their bag and baggage in the station, but alas, he couldn't catch him, and after coming back, he didn't find the bag and baggage either. Oh, what an unfortunate incident. And still, the missing person is not traced. An FIR is also lodged in the police station in Assam on the 7th November 2025. That's why we, the IPW of the Northeast India, as per the appeal of the family members, earnestly plead with all the aforementioned authorities, bodies and organizations to have the sympathy and to cooperate with prompt action in finding the missing person as soon as possible, for which we, along with the kith and kins, will be ever grateful to you. Wherever he is found, or inform or hand him over to the police station of the locality. Thanks.